How to hide Instagram story from someone. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch your Instagram application. And then once you're here, you have to tap your profile. That is at the bottom right corner. Tap that one. So once you're here, what you're going to do is to look for the three lines and you will see that at the top right corner. And then here you have to look for settings and privacy. Now you will see different features and options here, but go to who can see your content and tap hide story and live. And what you're going to do here is to simply tap that specific person or people that you want to hide your story from. If you can't see them here, then you can go to the search icon and then search their name. Okay, once you found them, all you have to do is to tap. And that's how you hide your story from them. Now, if you're looking for an answer on how to unhide, all you have to do is you just have to go to this hide story and live and then untap their name. Okay, and that's how you unhide your story from them. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.